what's up? This is Bartek. Today we're going to go through some P-bar flow, Calisthenics Freestyle basics, and how do you start with actually being able to flow. First, we're going to start with just being able to be on the bar, okay? So this is your very basic, where you're just holding yourself onto the bar. You have to be strong enough to even stay on the bar to just start actually flowing, okay? So next together, squeeze your abs, push your hands into the bar as much as you can, and then you're going to hold this position, okay? You want to get very strong in this position, so if you're experiencing any type of like imbalances or you're struggling to hold it, then you're just going to have to keep practicing it, do it often, do a few sets, 5-10 sets in a day, do it every other day, and then eventually you'll get stronger. So you're aiming to hold it for about 30 seconds without any problem, and then you can start training your flow, okay? So that's your very basics of just being able to hold. If you cannot get into that position in the first place, you can use a certain ways to help you. For example, you keep one of the legs on the ground and you just hold up as much weight as you can, and this will help you just to get stronger. So first we're going to begin with learning how to do the 1-2 leg switch, which will be like your fundamental to the flow, and it just teaches you how to use your body and use the momentum and also kind of go with the movement. I'll show you how that looks, okay? So that's a basic 1-2. Now with that movement, there's a lot more movements that are going to open up. So for example, once you learn your 1-2s, you can incorporate them with different movements and really, you know, make this look however you want to make it look, okay? But first we're going to learn how to do that 1-2. So from here, one leg goes over the bar and the second one joins in, okay? However, this happens really quickly, so it's like 1-2. So they pretty much come together, but there is that lead leg that comes first and the other one joins after, okay? And then as soon as you get that over the bar, that's exactly the way you're gonna return this way. So 1-2, and you swing back, 1-2. Now, when you're throwing that 1-2 over the bar, you're kind of pushing your hands onto the bar to help you throw yourself forward. And when you're bringing them back, you also have to tense up your core quite a lot to just not overdo it and then land on your face, okay? So that's some of the stuff you need to remember. So the way you're gonna start practicing it is first just get familiar with one side, swing back, other side. Do it nice and slow, and as you get more and more confident, you're able to just make it nice and quick, okay? So that's your first tutorial for P-bar flow. Give it a try. This is your foundation. You want to spend a lot of time doing this. It's not a 5-minute practice. This is a very good kind of thing to do before your workouts, before you do your freestyle, to get into the real rhythm and just warm up. All right, I hope you found this video helpful. If you want me to make more videos or any videos to do with calisthenics, make sure you drop it down below and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.